Hello students, here are instructions for the activity, design a trash collector. Open up the activity. On the instructions, you'll open up the Google Sites. So this is about designing and engineering a trash collector. So you have your question, what type of machine could you design to pick up trash in the ocean? So what type of parts would you use? How would those parts work together? And how would they pick up trash in the ocean to clean up the water? So go to this slide. I want you to click and open this link. And you have a really interesting passage that teaches you about this trash wheel that cleans up Baltimore's harbor. Look at all of that trash in there. So there is a video right here, Meet Mr. Trash Wheel. Watch the video that shows it in action. It's 1 minute and 38 seconds long. Then we have some more information here about how the wheel works. Then right here, continue your learning journey. Look at these questions. What types of trash did you see floating in the water? How do you think those items ended up in Baltimore's harbor? Write down a few ways you could reduce the amount of trash you produce on a given day. Then down here at the bottom, next to the video, there's a game called Trash Grab. Now let's look back here. I want you to think about our design process. Look at our steps over here to the right, starting with ask. What is the problem? So our problem would be there's trash in the ocean. So how would we pick it up? Imagine, brainstorm ideas. So what do you think we could do and make to help? Plan. So your planning part, this is where you do a little bit more action. Think about ideas and things and ways to solve it. Sketch. So you could do a quick drawing of what you're picturing in your head and label the parts and how the parts would work. Our next step is to create. Make a model and test it. So what do you have laying around your home that you could use for a model? What type of pieces or maybe even trash could you put together? And improve. After you make it and test it, how can you make it work even better so it can work more efficiently? Here's our picture about how the wheel works. And the rest of the slides contain some prompts to help you. Materials. What materials would you use for your model? What would all come together? Then down here on the last slide, you can insert an image of your model. So if you made one or drew a picture, upload it here so we can see.